Good morning. This is a winter update. So we just took out the pine tree there last weekend. We're gonna get rid of the rest of these, as well as that Chinese, I think box tree you called it back there. But you can see it was about a 50-foot tree. We got 3 really nice 10-foot logs out of it. Now Jim's got a chainsaw mill, so hopefully can slab these up into some nice wood. I mean, it's well old, nice and thick. So just cleaning up after it. All this garbage is from that tree. Slowly taking it apart and burning it. The outside of the house hasn't changed much, but the interior has been my subject of focus for the winter, seeing as how it's quite cold. So I got brand new subfloor waiting to go in. We're tearing up all these floors right now. And a pile of scrap woods. This back here though has gotten the new flooring laid down. It's not attached. So I'm gonna wait to see if plumber needs it loose so he can get in there, or if it can be fixed. But the back here is quite well done. It's weatherproof. The roof is up now, so it should stay dry. Real focus right now is getting all this flooring tore up, as well as the old lath floor, and replacing it with plywood. Now, this is the last couple of studs here. Another big header, just like this one here on the left, is gonna go and continue right across the house. And once those come out, we'll put down the subfloor, put in the beam, put up the short wall to support it, and then continue on with the rest of the house. But it's going good. The other side of the house has had no real attention, just cleaning. So this hasn't changed yet, but when the warm weather comes down, this addition will get demolished and rebuilt, and then that wall over there as well. But then all that should be left is siding and the last of the interior floor. Garage is holding up really nicely, no leaks. That went really well. And yeah, this addition's mostly done. The interface here isn't quite finished. I gotta get the last of that roof section cut out so I can finish this wall. And then I gotta rewrap this in Tyvek because the windstorm took it off. And it's just kind of laying over there right now, but we'll put it back up when things warm up. Trash is slowly disappearing as I'm cutting it up and burning what I can, but there's still a fair bit left. It's going good. Thanks for joining me.